Hello guys, my name is Satinder Punya and I'm your anchor, and if you have just seen my dozen of videos, I am really thinking, I'm hoping that my audience gonna be blast and my audience gonna be just rock. Look guys, I really don't think so. I know there are thousands of content which everyday uploading and making that how you can improve your skill, how you can speak English. But I really don't think so that any channel will give you this kind of information. I mean, I am the only one guy who are making this content creation in full of English. Okay, so my audience can I speak, and look, if you just, and also is my channel is providing that how to you solve your problem. Okay, because I know if this is the teaching who taught you. No one will teach you. No one will teach you because no one care. You just preparing exam, then giving exam, then just hoping that result is coming. Sometime paper delay, sometime there is a lot of corruption, sometime paper leak, and also the check. I mean, so this kind of information no one will give you. I mean, who will give you? I know because I got through of it and I know how to solve this kind of problem. And today is my topic is very sensational topic. And look, this is the biggest thing which I am seeing in 2026. I mean, it's like you can see a biggest disease, which I mean, and many women are misusing this power so much. I mean, the false rape cases, yes, false rape cases. Look, it's what happened. I'll tell you the actual story. When a unmature kid and a boy, okay, trap some kind of look. You have to take care about girls also because you really think so. These when you see as a child girl 15 and 16 years old girl see that his mother his sister doing this kind of thing, so yes, and they are very successful for this point. I mean, false rape cases. Look, first of all I am telling you what is the, so if you are just immature kid and guy, don't follow any kind of girl and woman. Okay, look, man never talks. Okay, simply I'm telling you, man never talks, only money talks. Okay, are you really understanding what I'm saying? Man never talks, only money talks. Okay, and secondly, never be afraid to this kind of situation that someone is this allegation about you. Look, if you didn't have sex with them, no one can't play with you. Okay, first of all. Secondly, don't trap this kind of illusion. Don't trap this kind of illusion. Just leave them as much as you can. If you are just seeing that these kind of Bollywood movies and shows that you're seeing the true love, or mother true love feelings, if you are find hoping in girls, then I am telling you, you will in a big mess, because they are a professional artist. Okay, Shah Rukh Khan doesn't care about Aishwarya Rai, and Aishwarya Rai doesn't care about Shah Rukh Khan. They meet in a year, once or twice. In 5 years, they meet once or twice. But you are seeing that that Shah Rukh was on a rock and Aishwarya is now running, and they just finding they are singing song and love to each other, and then you are finding this song, this love in school and college. Of course you will trap it, because this is the basic thing which the girls understand in their teenage age, because these all are, I'm telling you, if you seeing this kind of, these girls are stupid, they're not stupid. I'm telling you, they are not stupid. They're very they're very clear enough in a 15 and 16 age that this is all the stupid thing. Okay, You will always think that you are talking one girl, okay? But just deeply, and yes, that girl will feel you that he loves you, she loves you. I mean, she loves you like a hell. I mean, no one can't love like him. But deeply, 10 contacts, 15 contents, I mean, you are just a playboy. Girls are very super talented to manipulate reality, okay? Girls are supernatural, super talented to this quality that they can manipulate anything anywhere, okay? I know because I have a good girlfriend, okay? I am very fortunate that I have a very good girlfriend. I mean, we used to call, I mean, every kind of, I mean, you can't imagine how we talks, you can't even imagine. I mean, this is the talks I really can't do in my house. Otherwise, they will think that I am kind of some kind of harassment. Okay, make a good friends in your life, but don't trap this illusion. And first of all, I'm telling you, this false rape case, no one will touch you, no one will on you until, first of all, if you didn't have sex with them, you didn't have any kind of promise with them, and first of all, if you are mature enough, just follow your passion. If you are mature, then you will follow always your passion, always follow money if you are mature, okay? Because this is all the fun. You think that this is very cool and this is super fun. Yes, I'm accepting that you are telling the truth, but this is all the thing will only enjoyable when you have a lot of money, okay? When you have a lot of money, I mean, this is the all the thing you're gonna like it, okay? Then you didn't, I mean, then you can't imagine that, oh, she want to become my friend too, oh, now she want to make love with me, oh, she want to look like me as a lover boy, okay? Look, this world only and only about money, okay? Only and only money. If you have a lot of money, your lie gonna be truth. If you don't have money, your truth always gonna be lie. I mean, powerful man is not about powerful about their status. I mean, money talks. And if you just thinking this, understand of psychology of money, you're gonna understand whole process in your life. Whole process you. Then I really don't think so that you will ever capture this kind of trap. I mean, false rape case. This is a very little thing, okay? Very, very little thing. No one cares. No one cares, okay? So, if you just solve this problem like as a player, that just follow your passion, follow your dream. This yes, no, no means no. I mean, yes, this is all the thing in good. In a look, if you really want to be a man, I mean, if you really want to be like a man, just watching old movies. Just watching old movies, when then you don't care about this kind of problem. When then you think this problem is not a problem. Okay, this is like a child game. This is not a problem. So don't be afraid like this, and don't ever care about this. Always just follow your passion, follow your dream, and I really don't think so. Any woman, look, in 2026, there is some kind of strict law which is providing, and yes, it should be do it, because many women who actually suffering from this kind of situation, it's horrible. I mean, women who faced this kind of situation, actually, I really feel sad for them. But I'm telling you, most of women I have seen too misuse this kind of this is the law, and still there are no powerful law coming in India. But don't worry, just be a man. Okay, be a man. Mark your word. No one will affect you. Okay, no one will affect you. So, and this is the situation every family are facing, that these all are Dahej Partadna and all. I mean, look, when if you go just deeply and down, you will actually see the reality. Okay, you will actually see the reality. Just go and sit with some kind of lawyer, and you're gonna see reality that 70% these are all yawn utpidan, dahej partadna, and these false rape case. What is the actually reality behind this? Don't ever judge any book by this cover. Don't ever any judge book by this cover. Okay, so yes, I am hoping that my audience are learning, and yes, my audience is going to 15 and 20 kids. So if you are just learning and growing this kind of information which I'm providing you, just please like, share and subscribe my channel. And again, I'm telling you, always just follow your passion. Your life will automatically change. Automatically you will get any all answer you will get in your mind. Okay, all the answer you will get. So yes, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and thank you very much, and we will meet next day tomorrow.